I have here the default demo content, and I will start to edit with Elementor. I will remove now the timeline section. Here it is. And what I will do, I will now, how to return the timeline section. One way is to duplicate the blog section. Here it is. Okay, I have here timeline, but this is, let's say timeline, but actually it is skills section. I will now this one blog section move below the skills like this. Will set here timeline. This blog also will be timeline, and we don't need the blog widget. We'll delete this, and we don't need this button here. I will go to the timeline widget. Here it is, and I will just duplicate. Here it is, just timeline content 1, timeline content 2, it is 1, 2, and so on. The important part is now to check for this whole section here, or here, click, and here to set ID. I will set timeline. The same, this ID you must use in your menu. Of course, there is an option you can add just timeline in some other parts. Let's say I will show you here in the skills. I will duplicate this. I will remove this widget, will remove this widget, will remove one column because I don't need two. I need just one column. And now go to the timeline widget and just drop here, and here it is. So that is one way to bring back the timeline. I will show you one extra way. I will remove this, will update, and will go to the dashboard. Just a moment, here it is. I will send you this file. This file is a copy of a whole one page, so this will be your backup, and you can use any section from this file to bring back in your actual page, in your one page. What will I do? I will go to templates, add new, let big page, just a second, not here, it is import templates. I will just import this, and I have now, here it is, one page template. I will edit this with Elementor. And now from this one, from this big template, I will create a new template. A new template just for, okay, I need here to set page layout to be not default. Elementor full width. Okay, I will create from this one big template. I will create a new template which will be just timeline. We'll click here, we can click here on this and save as template. Timeline template, save. Now I have a footer, I have one page template, and I have timeline template. Now I will go back to my one page. Here it is, pages, one page, where is missing the timeline section. I will go to the end. So here is missing timeline section. I will go to the end and will use this add template, my templates, timeline insert, and here it is. Now I will just drag this. Here it is, timeline, and again just check here if it is set timeline for ID. That is